Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to get free gems and coins in Baseball 9. So this works in 2025 on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. And this site has a ton of modded apps. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in Baseball 9. And you should see the Baseball 9 mod. So we're going to press on it and it's going to start downloading. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and download here, as you can see. All right, so before it downloads, there is going to be one more step. It's a verification. We need to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So now we have reached the Baseball 9 mod installer step. So on this step, we need to download some of these apps. There's going to be around 4 apps on the page. You only need to download 2. You can see right here it says complete 2 more offers, so 2 apps. So press on it, press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store, and you just want to download the app. Now, bear in mind, guys, each app is going to have its own instructions. So you see color block, it says download and run for 30 seconds. The golf game right here says reach level 10, so they're all different. Now, I did the Family Island one. You had to reach level 10, but anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you do 2 of the apps, and also, I'm in the United States, so if you're in another country, the apps may be different. That is totally normal, guys. Just make sure you're doing the verification, and you should install the Baseball 9 mod. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super cool, and it totally works. So if you're interested in Baseball 9 hacks, be sure to try this one out for yourself.